Hello students, this is the fifth part of straight lines. Today I am going to explain problems based on our previous concept, that is problems based on different types of straight lines. Okay, today's first problem, find the equation of the line perpendicular to x-axis and passes through -2, -1. First of all, I want a rough sketch for that. Students, listen. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Somewhere -2, -3 is in actually in third quadrant. Somewhere assume that this is a point, that is -2, -1. Yeah, perpendicular to x-axis. Through that point, we need to draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. Yeah, this is one of the line. So this is the required line. Passing through the point -2, -1, and also perpendicular to y-axis. Okay, what is the equation of a line, vertical line? X equal to k only, no? X equal to k should find. What does the k mean? The distance from that line to the y-axis. What is that? -2. Distance is 2 only. Algebraically, I can say that -2, distance is 2 only. What I can say, y equal, what I can say, x equal to 2 is the equation of the straight line. I will write the equation of, 1 minute, the equation of line is x equal to k. Here k equal to -2 because 2 units from y-axis and left hand side of the y-axis. Okay, therefore the equation of a line is x equal to -2 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the answer for the first problem. Okay. Second, write the equation of straight line parallel to y-axis, same meaning, perpendicular to x parallel to y-axis, and a distance 2 units from y-axis and to the right hand side of the line, positive. So what I can say, directly I can say x equal to 2 is the straight line, or x minus 2 equal to 0 is the straight line. So every line parallel to y-axis of the form x equal to k only, no? Here clearly given. Write the equation of straight line parallel to y-axis and a distance of 2 units from y-axis and right hand side of the y-axis. So here this is the required line, this is the required line, this is the required line, 2 units. Okay, so that's what I can say, x equal to 2 is the required straight line. Third problem, students. Find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis and passing. Parallel to x-axis means horizontal line. So y equal to k form. The line should have the form y equal to k. I will show you. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, 2, -3 in fourth quadrant. So this is the required line, which is passing through 2, -3. Obviously, the required equation of the form y equal to k only, no? Just you need to find k value. No? Okay. So what I can say, this is how much distance from x-axis? 3 units only. No? This is 3 only. So below the x-axis -3. I can say k equal to -3. The required line should have the form y equal to k. What is k here? Here k equal to -3. Therefore the line y equal to -3 or y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the required straight line. Fourth problem, find the equation of line passing through parallel to y-axis and passing through, same previous mode, parallel to y-axis means x equal to k form. Okay, rough sketch I will run. This is say y-axis, this is the x-axis. The line passing through -7, -11. Okay. The equation of the line is x equal to k. What is k here? K equal to -7. Here k equal to minus 7. Therefore, equation of required line x equal to minus 7 or x plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, students. Next, you people can complete fifth problem. Find the equation of a straight perpendicular to x parallel x-axis and passing through 5, 6. Okay. So, I will explain, students, what is the actual problem. We want to find equation of a straight line passing through 5, 6 and perpendicular to x-axis, means parallel to x-axis only. This line should find y equal to k form, no? Y equal to k form. K equal to what? That is important thing. Distance from x-axis, that is 6 only, no? 6. So what? K equal to 6. What I can say, y equal to 6 is the straight line, or y minus 6 equal to 0 is the straight line. Or another word, students listen, point is given. If you know its slope, directly you can find, no? A line perpendicular to x parallel to x-axis. What is the slope of line parallel to x-axis? 0 only, no? I will write slope of required line equal to 0. How can we say? Because the required line is parallel to x-axis. Perpendicular to y-axis means what is the meaning of the parallel to x-axis? Any line parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Slope is given, point is given. By using point slope form I can find Nana. M equal to 0. Point on the line. Several ways you can solve the problem. Point equal to 5, 6. So point slope form y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. So y1 means 6, m means slope 0, 0 means x minus 5, 0 is 0 only. So y equal 6 only, or y minus 6 equal 0 only. So in previously I explained directly, na? Here I use by using formula also you can find. Okay, this is fifth problem. Sixth problem, a minus 1 comma 1 and b 5 comma 3 are the opposite vertices of a square in the xy plane. Find the equation of the other diagonal not passing through a and b. Interesting problem. Important model also. Listen, students. Yeah, this is the square. So ABCD square. AB. Okay, this is PQ. So what is given? What you want? That I will explain. We want equation of PQ. Yeah. Interesting problem, students. This is minus 1 comma 1. This is 5 comma 3. We can find equation of AB. But what he want? Equation of PQ. How to find equation of PQ? I will explain here. Okay, sure. Okay, listen. IMP model. Okay. So first of all, how to find equation of PQ? Nothing is there, no? Nothing is there. You want to find equation of this? If a point on the line and slope is given, by using slope point form you can find equation. Nothing is appearing, but indirectly given, point is given and slope indirectly. Because in a square, diagonals are bisect one another and right bisectors. Bisect one another means midpoint of AB equal midpoint of PQ only. From that you will get this point, say some M. So a point you got, so don't take M, you will confuse, you will take K. So you got K coordinates. No, on the PQ, on the line PQ you got a point. After that you need to find slope. How to find slope? What is the relation between PQ and AB? They are perpendicular. You can find slope of AB. From that you can find slope of PQ because they are perpendicular. So by using point slope form I can find the equation of that line. Okay, students, listen now. Okay. K equal to midpoint of PQ equal to midpoint of AB. You know how to find midpoint, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 minus 1 plus 5 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 comma 2. 5 minus 4, 4 by 2 only. Okay, 2 comma, we got k equal to 2 comma 2. A point on the PQ is 2 comma 2. Now you want slope of PQ. I will write. First I want find slope of AB. Slope of AB bracket M1 is equal to y2 minus y1 3 minus 1 5 comma 3 1 comma 1 okay 3 minus 1 comma 5 minus half minus 1 that is equal to 2 by 6 that is equal to 1 by 3. This is the slope of AB. Now I want slope of PQ. Slope of PQ in bracket M2 equal to minus 1 by M1 only. Why? Well, the reason means M1 is perpendicular M2. M1 into M2 equal to minus 1 because AB is perpendicular to PQ. So this is equal to minus 1 by M1 means 1 by 3. That is equal to minus 3. Now we have the slope of PQ as minus 3. Point. Now I can find equation of PQ directly. Okay. So here PQ equation not find. Point is 2 comma 2. Slope is minus 3. Okay. Equation of PQ. PQ is equal to y minus y1. Y minus y1. M into x minus x1. Or y minus 2 equal to minus 3x plus 6. Transfer to left hand side. 3x plus y minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. Or another words 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a diagonal of the square. Okay. I hope you people understood. Okay. Next problem. If minus 4 comma 5 is a vertex of a square and other one of the diagonal is this, find the equation of other diagonal. This is another interesting question. Students, listen Nana. First of all, I want a rough sketch for this. Yeah, this is assume that a square ABCD square. For example, this is minus 4 comma 5. Yeah, equation of one diagonal is given. What is that? 7x minus 5 plus 8 equal to 0. Now we want to find equation of another diagonal, that is AC diagonal. Yeah, observe Nana. On AC we have a point minus 4 comma 5. To find equation of AC we need one more thing, a point on that line or its slope. Its slope we can find because diagonals are perpendicular. No? From this you can find slope of BD. The equation is given. From that you can find slope of AC. Point and slope form you can find the equation of AC. Okay. The required line equation is AC. Okay, first of all I want from slope of BD in bracket M1 y equal to mx plus c form, no? That is 7 directly I can say. See, convert this is equal to y equal to mx plus c form. We get 7 only slope. So slope of AC in bracket M2 equal to minus 1 by M1. Since AC and BD are perpendicular. Minus 1 by 7. Now we have slope and point and you can find equation. directly equation of AC is y minus y1, means this is acting just like x1 y1, and y minus 1, m means minus 1 by 7 into x minus x1 plus 4, 7y minus 35 equal to minus x minus 4, transfer to left hand side. So what we will get, I will write here. So x plus y plus 7y minus 35 equal to 0, or x plus, I think x plus 4, not y now, this is 4. Yeah, x plus 7y plus 4, that is minus 31 equal to 0. This is the equation of the diagonal AC. Okay, students, 11th problem. The line x by a minus y by b equal to 1 meet the x-axis at P. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line at P. Interesting problem. Okay, students, I will draw a sketch for this. Yeah, this is given line, and what is that? X by a minus y by b equal to 1. Intersecting at P. X-axis at P means we need to find coordinates. Y equal 0 only, no? Put y equal to 0 here. What will get x? A only. A comma 0. Now through this point a line drawn perpendicular to that line, we want to find equation of that line. Easy one, no? Point is there on the line, we need its slope. Okay. A comma 0 is a point on required line. Yeah. Next, what do you want? You want its slope, because given line and that line are perpendicular, no? Then you can find its slope directly. First of all, we can find slope of given line. Slope of directly I want to write as what is that? Bx minus ay equal to AB line. Not good writing. I will write. Yeah, slope of x by a minus y by b equal to 1, that is bx minus ay equal to ab. Or directly you can say that minus x coefficient by y coefficient, any method you can use. So bx minus ab equal to ay, or b by ax minus b equal to y. Then what is the slope? No, b by a is the slope. I will write b by a. Is in bracket m1 equal to b by a. How you got to explain, no? Directly on formula is the minus x coefficient 1 by a by y coefficient minus 1 by b, minus must get cancelled. So what happened? B by a only. Anyway you get the slope is b by a only. Okay. But L is perpendicular to given line. So slope of L equal to minus 1 by slope of given line. That is equal to minus 1 by b by a. That is equal to minus a by b. Slope is minus a by b. Point is a comma b. Now I can find equation of L directly. Equation of L. Equation of L is y minus y1. So this is acting just like I will show you. This is acting x1 y1. This is slope m. Okay. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Cross multiplication by equal to minus ax plus a square, or what I can write ax plus by equal to a square. This is the equation of required line. Okay, next problem, 12th problem. Find the equation of the line containing the point. 2-point formula. A straight line is given. The straight line is passing through 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus. 2-point form. x1 y1, x2, y2, say this is L. Equation of required line, I will write. Equation of required line is y minus y1 plus 3, y2 minus y1 minus 3 plus 3 equal to x minus x1, x minus 2 by x2 minus x1, 0 minus 2. So, y plus 3 equal to, this is 0 only, 0 into something. So, y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation. Indirectly, what is given? That line is, the y coordinates are same, that line is parallel to x-axis. Actually, the diagram is parallel to x-axis. Every line parallel to x of the form x equal to k only. So, k will get minus 3. That's why y equal to k. So, what I can say? The k equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 3 or y plus 3 equal to 0 is the required equation. Or by using formula, same thing you will get. That is y plus 3 into 0, because what is the cross multiplication? After cross multiplying, this 0 only, 0 into something 0, 0 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into something equal to 0 means automatically y plus 3 equal to 0 only. That's why this is the required equation of the line. Yeah, 14th problem. Find the equation of straight line which makes an angle of tan inverse of 2 by 3 with the x-axis in the positive direction and y-intercept cut off by 3. Two things are given. Inclination is given and y-intercept is given. Inclination of required line is theta. What is given theta? Theta is given tan inverse of 2 by 3. What is tan theta, Nana? Tan theta equal to 2 by 3. That is another m equal to 2 by 3. Indirectly slope is given. Also given its y-intercept. In bracket c equal to 3. M given, c given. Y equal to mx plus c form. No? Slope intercept form of a straight line. The equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c. No? So, clearly inclination is given means slope is given. Here. And y-intercept cut off by it is 3. Y-intercept is given 3. C is given, m is given. We want to use y equal to mx plus c only. So, y equal to m means 2 by 3 x plus c means 3 or 3y plus 2x plus 9 is equal to here, or 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0 is the equation of required straight line. Yeah. Next question, students. Find the equation of the straight line which makes an angle of 60 degree the positive direction of x-axis and the y-intercept cut off is 3. Same. Inclination theta given as 60 degree means m equal to tan theta equal to tan 60 equal to root 3. Y-intercept bracket c is given as 3. So, what is the required equation? Should have the form y equal to mx plus c only, no? The required equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal m means root 3, x, c means 3. That's all. This is the required line, or sometimes you can simplify. What I can say, root 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, next 16th and 17th question. First of all, I want to find the 16th question solution, students. Find the angle made by the straight line with the positive direction and inclination. You ask the inclination. Okay, given line, I will write given line is y equal to minus root 3x plus 3. Its slope equal to minus root 3 means tan theta equal to minus root 3 where theta is the inclination. So what is this? I will explain. Tan of 180 minus 60, how much tan? Tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta minus 60, that is minus root 3 only. That's why instead of what I can write tan theta equal to, instead of this what I can write tan of 180 minus 60 I can write. So what is theta and 120 degree. So inclination of that line is 120 degree, or sometimes you can convert into radians. 17th problem. Find the slopes of the lines x plus y equals 0 and x minus y equals 0. So slope of the line x plus y equal to 0, or I can write y equal to minus x, no, this one. What is x coefficient? Y equal to mx form, no, this one. M stands for the slope. Slope is minus 1. Slope is minus 1. Okay, second equation. X minus y equal 0 means what I can write x equal to y equal to x only. X coefficient 1, y equal to mx form, slope is equal to 1. Slope of this line equal to 1. Okay. Slope of this line is minus 1, slope of this line is plus 1. Okay. Now, objective type questions. Objective type questions. Objective type. Okay. And that first problem, students. The equation of a line perpendicular to this line and passing through the origin. Okay. I will show you. This is given line. What is the name? 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Now you want to find another line which is perpendicular to this and passing through origin. Okay. You want to find equation of red colored line. A point is there and that is 0 comma 0. We want its slope. Directly can find. Say this is line, say k line. Say this line is p line. Okay. First of all, slope of k I will write. This is objective only, but I am explaining like descriptive. Slope of k equal to y equal to mx plus c. Directly I can say the minus 2 by 3 or minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay. K is perpendicular to L. So, slope of L equal to minus 1 by slope of K. So, L slope equal to minus 1 by minus 2 by 3. That is 3 by 2. Now, here slope and point I can find equation of P. Equation of L or P one. Slope L P, this one, okay. Now I want to find equation of P. Is y minus y1, this is acting just like x1 y1, m 3 by 2 into x minus x1 is 0. So what it gives? 2y equal to 3x, or another words I can say that 3x minus 2y equal to 0 is the required equation. 3x minus 2, this is the answer for the problem. Second question. The equation of a line passing through 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to the line joining these 2 points. This is also interesting problem, students, listen. So this is a line which is passing through minus 5 comma 6 and minus 6 comma 5. What is the required line? The required line is this. L is the required line, K is the given line. We want to find equation of L now, which is passing through 2 comma 3 and L is perpendicular to K. We want to find equation of L, we need its slope. These two are perpendicular means you can find slope of K first, from that you can find slope of L. Okay, I will write slope of K. Bracket M1 equal to y2 minus, this is say x1, y1, x2, y2. So So 5 minus 6 by minus 6 plus 5, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, slope of L equal to minus 1 by slope of K. What is the reason? L is perpendicular to K. That is minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Now we have the slope of L and point, you can find its equation. Okay. Equation of L. L is y minus y1. This is acting just like x1, y1. Equal m is minus 1 into x minus x1. x1 is 2. Y minus 3 equal to minus x plus 2. Or x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the request straight line. X plus y minus 5. X plus y minus. So fourth option is correct. Okay. Question number 3, students. The equation of the line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to the line segment joining these two. So this is interesting only. For example, this is one of the line which is passing through 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 5. Let it be k. As required line and given line are parallel. Okay, and this line is passing through 2 comma minus 3. How to find equation of L, Nana? We want its slope. How to find its slope? Slope of k and slope of L are same because they are parallel. Okay, I will write slope of k. I will first. You need to find slope of k first. Slope of k is y2 minus y1. 5 minus 2 by minus 1, that is equal to 3 by minus 2 or minus 3 by 2. Okay. So slope of L is equal to slope of k. What is the reason? L is parallel to k. So slope of L equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we can find equation of L because we have slope and point. Na? Equation of L. Equation of L is y minus y1 plus 3 equal to m means minus 3 by 2 into x minus 2. 2y plus 6 equal to minus 3x plus 6 or 3x plus 2y equal to 0. 6 get cancelled. So 3x plus 2y equal to 0. 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y equal to 0. I can say my answer is option 1. Okay, fourth problem, friends. Are the midpoints of sides of a triangle something? Then the equation of AB. Okay. Listen all of you. Here a triangle is given. Okay, or the triangle ABC triangle. BC midpoint 2 comma 3. 2 comma 1. CA midpoint minus 1 comma minus 2. This midpoint 3 comma 3. What do you want to find? You want to find equation of AB. Okay, equation of AB. I will show you it. We want to find equation of AB, students. Already a point is there on this line, that is 3 comma 3. We want its slope. But AB I can name as this is D and this is E and this is F. Okay. Join DE by midpoint theorem. DE is parallel to AB. The line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side half of it. So DE parallel to AB. You can find slope of DE. From that you can find slope of AB. Point is there. Then you can find equation of AB. I will write slope of DE in bracket M1 equal to minus 2 minus 1 by minus 1 minus 2, that is equal minus 3 by minus, that is equal 1. Slope of DE is 1 means slope of AB also 1. No? Slope of AB equal to slope of DE. What is the reason? AB parallel to DE. What is slope of this 1? Now I can find equation of AB. Therefore, equation of AB is y minus 3, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So x equal to y. 3 get cancelled. Now what will x equal to y? What I can say, my answer is 4. Okay. Fifth question, students, listen. The equation of the line perpendicular to x equal to 3 and passing through minus 4 comma. Perpendicular x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is a vertical line. Perpendicular means horizontal line. Horizontal means y equal to k form. Y equal to k, that too passing through minus 4 comma 2. Then I can say y equal to 2 is the required straight line. Okay. Directly I can say objective. Understood? I will explain to you. The equation of line perpendicular to this. Okay, I will show you. This is x equal to 3 line. Perpendicular, I will use another color. This is the required line. Perpendicular. Okay, what is the slope of red line? 0. Slope is given by indirectly. Okay, slope of required line equal to 0. Okay, point on the line. Is minus 4 comma 2. Directly by the point slope form I can find equation of the required line. Equation of line is y minus 2 equal to 0 into x plus 4. So y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the required straight line. Objective directly can see the answer, or using formula also we will get the same thing.